What do we call a group of football players? What do we call a group of sheep? And what do we call a mother, father, brother and sister, grandparents, and so on? That's right, a group of football players is called a team. A group of sheep is called a flock. And a mother, father, brother, sister, grandparents, and so on, we can call a family. These words are called group nouns, or sometimes, collective nouns. There are lots of these words. Sometimes they are a bit strange, for example, a school of fish, or a litter of kittens. Here are some other words that we use for animals.
A flock of birds. A swarm of bees. A herd of goats. A pride of lions.
For people, we often use words like these.
A crowd of people. A band of musicians. A class of students.
We also have words that we use to talk about groups of things. For example,
a bunch of keys. A fleet of ships. A block of flats.
There are many words to learn. Usually, we think of these group nouns as a single item. For example, we could call a team, it. As in, the team, or, it, is playing well. However, we can also think of a team as lots of players, and so, we can say, they. As in, the team, or, they, are playing well. We have to be careful to use the correct form of, to be. Here's another example. We can think of our family as one, big, group of people. So, we can say, my family is very big. Or, we can think of them as separate individuals. So, we can say, my family are traveling to Dubai soon. Both are correct. It just depends on how we think about the group. And we need to remember to use the correct form of, to be. Try to match the correct word with the correct group. You can download and use the grammar reference to help you. Pause the video if you need to and we will check the answers together when you are ready. Okay, so here are the answers. A choir of singers. A flock of seagulls. And, a bouquet of flowers. Well done.